Could you use a vacation? I bet you can. And I'm here to tell you a quick and easy way to give yourself all the benefits of a vacation. I'm Krista Oakes, and I'm a yoga and meditation instructor, a mindfulness coach, an author, and a speaker. And I want to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. I want you to explore the idea of coming to your yoga mat for a mini vacation. When you come onto your mat, it's like you get the chance to take a break, to shut down the mind, to stop all the activity, and to be in the present moment, to be with yourself, to fill yourself up, to give yourself everything that you need. And isn't that what you do on vacation? In essence, you go, you take a pause, you get yourself refueled and refilled up so that when you come back from vacation, you have all this energy, you have a renewed sense of self and your priorities and all the things that you want to do moving forward. The same thing can happen on your yoga mat. When you come off of your yoga mat after spending that time in awareness, in presence, in being with yourself, you are more centered, more grounded, more fueled up, more ready to take on the next day, the next cycle, the next season, because you've given yourself that break. You've taken that little mini vacation, which is not only benefits your mind, but it also benefits your body. It gives your body the break that it needs. Take a vacation today. Join me on a yoga mat in class, or do it on your own at home. Just make time for yourself and give yourself that little mini break, that vacation that you truly need and deserve. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.